Hi, welcome to another amazing course from Eduonix. This time, it's going to be one of the emerging technologies, blockchain and cryptocurrency. So my name is Bernard. I'm the founder of Blockchain Leadership. I'm also an IBM Hyperledger certified, and I'm a digital transformation consultant, worked with many top companies in India and as well as in abroad. So what is the specialty of this course? I'm so excited when anybody is excited when you say blockchain or Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So this particular course from Eduonix is one of the most happening, I would say. So much of opportunities for people who are certified in blockchain. So much of value for cryptocurrencies is coming up around the world. So the future might be crypto. Never know that. So when the computers came so many years back, there was an excitement. There was a kind of a negative discussion, talk about computers when it came, but slowly it dominated. Like same, what happened to Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, blockchain? A lot of people said blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is very complicated. It's not really important. But what happened in the last few years, it started to prove that it's one of the top emerging technologies. So I'm very happy to invite you in this course by Eduonix. So we have amazing 7 modules in this blockchain and cryptocurrency course. In the first module, we're going to talk about the fundamentals of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So what are cryptocurrencies? Nothing, just it uses the blockchain technology. A lot of people think blockchain means Bitcoin. Blockchain is it's a technology, whereas Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which uses blockchain technology. So what you're going to learn here is an introduction, a history of blockchain, how it came, what are the framework, what are the benefits, what are the industries getting benefited by blockchain. So we're going to talk about the ecosystem, the layers, the different layers in blockchain. So on the P2P systems, the transactions, all about that. In the module 1, you'll get an introduction or a fundamental of blockchain as well as cryptocurrency. So in the module number 2, you will understand about Bitcoin. Most of us know about Bitcoin. Some of them still have a negative feel of Bitcoin, but a kind of information of Bitcoin. So you should understand the network of Bitcoin. Since a lot of people, are already aware of Bitcoin, still some people not aware. So definitely this is going to be a topic for the next few years. So where, what are the organization inside Bitcoin, how it works, is it secured? A lot of people says Bitcoin is not secured. So you have to understand that to know how secured is it, so how it become a successful cryptocurrency. What is the value behind that you're going to study in module number 2. In module number 3, we're going to talk about Bitcoin mining. What is Bitcoin mining? So you need to understand that what are the hardwares involved behind that. So what are the benefits of that? Which are the countries supports Bitcoin mining? So why still certain countries yet to acknowledge Bitcoin mining? So there is a technology behind that. There are people use this for various negative. That's where some of the governments are still not given 100% kind of an approval to do Bitcoin mining in various countries. So validation of new block, the race for Bitcoin, how it dominates when it comes to mining. Bitcoin is number 1. It still dominates the entire, I would say, the Bitcoin landscape or the cryptocurrency landscape. So that you will learn in module number 3. In module number 4, you will understand about Ethereum. It's another cryptocurrency which is very, very popular. You will understand about smart contracts, the definitions, how the Ethereum transaction is different from Bitcoin. You'll know that. Then, how to receive an Ether and all that, how to create an account. So a lot of differences between other cryptocurrencies you will understand in this. That's in module number 4. In module number 5, you will understand about Hyperledger and Hyperledger Composer. You will understand the introduction, what is distributed ledger technology and what are the challenges. You will know that. So learning about channels, policies, chain codes, nodes. So a lot of things you will understand in this module. Before this, you will also in other modules you will also understand a lot of other features, like a bulk nodes, kind of what are the kind of terminologies of cryptocurrency and blockchain. You know that. So how to implement that. Now you will understand about the Hyperledger Composer playground what are the necessary to develop applications using Hyperledger. You will learn in this module number 5. In module number 6, you will know how to create a crypto from scratch, or a kind of a product based on blockchain technology from scratch. You need to understand that what are the technologies behind, what are the backend, how the chains are built, then what the proof of work, wallet keys and transaction, and the front end for blockchain. So in module number 6, you will know how to create your own product or launch your own coin using blockchain technology. So that's an amazing thing in this. Then in module number 7, multi-chain and building a private blockchain. So what is multi-chain? You will learn this. Privacy, permissions multi-chain, mining in multi-chain. That's another very, very interesting. Then setting up a private blockchain. So what is the private blockchain? What is the public blockchain? So there's this particular course is really have a lot of opportunities. Of course, a lot of people are aware of this technology, aware of this crypto, but a lot of people not aware is where all the industries where blockchain is very powerful. For security, smart contracts, a lot of things, I would say like most of the industry started using blockchain technology. So you should understand that cryptocurrency uses blockchain technology, but a lot of industry use blockchain technology. They're not using cryptocurrency, but some of them, still using. But you should understand that Bitcoin, a lot of people think blockchain means Bitcoin. No, blockchain is technology. Bitcoin is a currency, a cryptocurrency, runs on blockchain technology. So in this course, you will understand the benefits of blockchain technology and the kind of the strength of cryptocurrency, how it's going to dominate the world to come. So a lot of opportunities. Don't go away. So definitely you should be a part of this course. My name is Bernard. It's my pleasure. So don't miss this course, brought to you by Eduonix. Thank you so much. I'll see you inside.